This is my MSI 1080 Ti Game & X edition. It does not boot my desktop, and of course MSI does not do any support, repair, RMA, any of the stuff for cards that aren't in warranty. So you can't send your card to them to have it repaired once your warranty expires. So my plan here is to at least try and get an idea of what failed on the card, and maybe ask around, see if I can find somebody to repair it for me. But we're going to take it down to the PCB. But first I wanted to get the back plate off and see if I could identify anything. As you can see by the warranty sticker here, this card has never been taken apart. It has never been disassembled. Not seeing anything that stands out on the side of the card as damage. Just a little dusty, but I mean the card is, you know, a good now let's see, I think I bought this card in 2017. So it's a good 5 years old, and it has never been taken apart for cleaning. It's never acted like it needed it before. But something on the card is damaged because it will not do any pass-through video. So there's a major defect. But my motherboard does work a different graphics card. It appears as though they put all the plugs underneath the cooler. So I'm gonna have to dump those screws out. The rest of them fell under my laptop. I don't need them currently, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to take out the heatsink screws. card is way out of warranty, so I'm not even going to worry about it, and I'm just going to peel it off. This is the downfall to non-magnetic screwdrivers. Alright, so heatsink should come up now. Alright, there it goes. Well, I believe I found a problem. Big boy ain't there. Appears as though C51 there decided it wasn't going to belong on the board. Well, there we go. You should be able to see a broken solder joint in there. Well, we're going to call it here and see what I can find out.